Up at the big price, guys. People gave us a ride. This is where we're gonna live someday. Right there.
All right.
It's raining, and we're looking for a house that Rochelle went to run down that street over there to find it.
Let's show her the street. Okay, this is the street. We're looking for someone's house, and we're just trapped.
¿Y vos?
Ariel.
¿Y la mamá? Eva. ¿Y quién está llorando? Oh, está por ahí.
Ramiro.
Hey, here we are in Sandra's house. There's Rochelle in the doorway. Going to take a shower. Here is Julie with the cutest baby ever. Happy. This is the swimming pool I just went swimming in. This is the dog. That right there is what they put their garbage on so the dogs don't get it because there's a million of them.
Okay, we're here in a hospital. We're giving out stuff to the little kids.
Shut up.
Hi.
Oh no, I hate this.
Look at us. Oh, mira, mira. So we're going to start buying toys. It's the toy store. Okay, we just handed out a whole bunch of toys. I can't see them. Here they are playing with them. ¿Te gusta? Okay, here they are giving out pañales, diapers. Okay, sus madres.
Hotel over there. Can't see it too very well. That's my favorite plant right there. Hydrangea. Little education for you all.
Bingo. 50. 50.
Okay, let's see if I have 50. Okay, I've already won bingo and blackout.
35.
It's a beautiful day, kids.
How long would it take to edge that whole place down there?
It's our hotel right here.
Well, here's our next ride. Here we are in the back of concrete.
We just hitchhiked. It took us like a half hour to get a ride. No? She's gonna be an English teacher someday.
We're in Chile.
We're almost in Chile.
Oops, wrong side. It's 10 o'clock at night. We've been on the bus 5 hours about.
We are in a place called Misiones
Misiones.
in Argentina, and here we're in Argentina, and if you look that way, that's Brazil. Right there.
Here's
Here's
this
a
is
hostel we're staying at.
This
Best
is the
place
hostel.
ever.
It's so cool.
And we just found guys who gave us free watermelons.
Are taking us
And
to
they're
church
giving
tomorrow.
us to church tomorrow in their watermelon truck. And
You know that will be recorded.
now we're going to the Tres Fronteras, the 3 borders.
Where
Of
Paraguay, Brazil, and Argentina are together. Stop it.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, we're at the church. There's the church. Are you hungry?
Completely lost the appetite.
For little buddies.
I know.
Well, here's the church we went to today. Here's the street. It's New Year's Eve.
Rocks for everyone. Okay, I got a rocks.
You ready
Here
to
we
film?
are on the Bolivian border. There's some
Bolivian.
houses. Whoops.
Brazilian.
Brazilian. Oh, it's all the same.
Okay, we're gonna
It's all
throw this
Mexico.
rock off the bridge. See how
Okay,
far.
oh, you
I'm
can't
gonna
see
do.
very well at all.
We'll do it. Ready?
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3.
I can't see them at all. There's Brazil. There's Argentina. There's a house.
Oh, it just shook the whole
There's the
thing.
boats. Where we're staying tonight.
Let's take a good look.
I'm tired. Tonight's New Year's Eve.
Okay, this
Our
is
room's right up there. Still my room right up there.
that one's ours
the
right
second one
there.
over.
There's Rochelle's boyfriend. Are you filming him?
Right there.
Okay, there's Gaston. Gaston?
Here's the floating stage where we're gonna. Where's Rochelle and Julie? Do that face one more time. Yeah, it's paradise here. And we're gonna have some fun because we got invited to the party by the guy who's setting up fireworks. He said everyone's invited. So we said, all right. We're going. Here we are.
I'm excited because 3 50-year-olds and a BMW just
A yellow Mustang. Whoa,
Too proud.
the color of
Flattered.
Julie's shirt.
Proud.
They wanted us to go dancing with them, and we said no because you're on my dad's bowling team.
And because someone invited us to go to this casino, there's no man. No one invited us. We just tell everyone someone
Yes,
invited
the
us.
firework man
Yeah, the
did.
firework man invited us.
Guy in the tie. Because it was setting up fireworks in a tie.
Yep, we're excited. Okay, it's New Year's Eve.
We just went to a fancy hotel and drank Sprite. And now they gave us champagne people we're staying
It
with.
always takes them so long to open. Oh, there goes our light.
So now we shook it up, we're gonna open it.
We're gonna
'cause
try to
it's
open
with
it.
alcohol, so we're obviously not gonna drink it.
Pop it off.
And whoever it hits is getting married next.
Okay, this
Aim it
one's
at
off.
Julie.
Laura got hit last
What do you do?
time.
Just float off? Just go up. I don't know how to do it, Mom.
Let's do it.
It won't come off. Oh wait, I think I use this thing or something.
Yeah.
Oh no, here they come.
Oh, please don't be coming
They're
up the
coming?
stairs.
It's not, there's the lights.
Oh. Wait, push pause. People, okay, I think it's coming. Turn on.
Okay.
Oh.
Is it coming off? I'm all scared. Oh, it didn't even shake out.
Oh.
You're supposed to make a spray everywhere.
Excitement to
Shake it. I'm gonna try. No, it's addictive.
Oh, I don't think I got it on. Here we are. On the little Hold it. I can't wait. And Julie, how close? No smoking. We're going to the falls. There's a river down there.
First, we're gonna get in a boat though.
We're in a safari truck.
A jungle truck.
We're in the jungle. We just saw a lizard as big as my head. Way bigger.
Are we going to that bridge over there? So bright. Take some pictures?
Yeah.
What do you just saw down there?
You're on. Oh, too close. This is the prettiest part right there.
Here we are on the river. Here's our guide, Buddy.
Español. Es selva.
Selva.
Yeah.
Ah.
Hello. Hello.
Here's our little Japanese friends. There's Julie and Maya over there.
Julie, look.
We put our feet in the water. He let us take our life jackets off. Ready to fall out. Ah. And Iguazu in English means big waters. It's in Guatani.
¿Cómo se dice? Agricultura. Sabía mucho de eso. Me encantaría estudiar más de los indígenas de todo Sur y Central América. Me interesa mucho. Jungle.
It says there are alligators and monkeys and what else?
Puma.
Pumas here, but they're all deeper. And he's telling us about the Indians, the snakes.
turtle.
We saw a turtle. And he's telling us about the deep Indians that live deep in the jungle.
The true Lamanites.
Yeah. But they believe that the sun and the moon and everything.
The sun is the god and the moon. Like the happy eagle?
Harp eagle?
Yeah.
That is big black ones flying around?
All the people
That's
Yeah, vulture.
from Taiwan and they get out. Here we go. There's the driver. There's our filmer guy. Woo! This is so fun. There's some rocks, some rapids. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look, there's a pelican, mira. Hey, ¿este cómo se llama? What was you saying about Brazil, Argentina? Woo! You're just in there? Con cuidado. Okay, we're here at the fake beach. Let's see, what kind of slope? You can only swim in the little buoy things, whatever they're called. Elle and Lara. There goes another boat. It's not very deep, so there's lots of little fishes that were just born. Look at this pretty, huh?
Okay, there's a hole in the rock here. But the most exciting part is the vultures.
There's so many.
Remember?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
We're not supposed to
50.
pasar, pero.
It says right here, warning, do not trespassing.
Where'd the guys go? Oh, they're there.
Trespassing? That's what it says right there. Do not
Look at them
trespassing.
trespassing. Here's the Hard Rock Cafe of Argentina. It's a little bit broken down.
Yvonne. 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 Como.
Ella puede decir mi nombre.
Rochelle.
Dale, ahora sí.
Puede decir Rochelle.
Mira. We're in Paraguay. We hate it here so far. Yeah.
I like it.
I know. You like it here, Julie?
It's fine. It's no different than Argentina.
Yes, it is. It's
Yes,
stupid.
it is.
Argentina's awesome. That's a gaucho.
With his big boots.
Oh, here we are in Paraguay. It's like Chicago. Big buildings, Pioneer. Hanging out here in Brazil.
What about you, Laura?
This is Brazil.
We are in both countries.
They're making some juice out of sugar cane.
Alright.
Here we are.
Here we are again.
Well, here we are. There's the rude lady, Julie's sleeping. You can't see, all you can see is our reflections.
Yeah, you can. There's the road right there.
Oh, you can see our reflections really well.
Okay, here we are. Mad. Our bus just broke down.
We don't even have feet things for our feet. We're gonna have to be on here
right
20 more hours.
Here we are on the buses.
Here we are. Well, here we are.
Well, here we are.
Here we are.
Trying to squish all our luggage on. Oh, here's the temple. We tried to come, but it's closed, so now we have to go back downtown. Oh, the battery's going dead. There's the NTC. And then we had to find a hostel because they wanted to charge $30 each to stay in a hotel. And then we didn't know where the hostel was, so this guy brought us back and he brought us Sprite. He bought us Sprite, so we drank all of it. We came back for a drink and they had already drank all of it.
You have $50.
Cost $2 to stand in there. Yeah.
So we can't stand.
We might pay. Here's a little.
Photograph with your own picture, $2. With your own camera.
This is a city.
There's a naked man with a thing wrapped around him.
Yeah, they can fit. Well, here we are. In La Boca. Oh yeah, I'll explain. This is a town where Italians came and they escaped from the war. And they painted, this is all the colors that they had left. I don't know why they had all these colors on the boat, but they got off the boat. And the tango is really popular here. It says, get up. You're watching the best team in the world. This is the Boca Stadium. They're repairing it. Up there, you can't see them, but there's seats up there too. Fits 2 million people.
No, it doesn't.
Here we are at the McDonald's. Kind of loud here. Here's where we're living our last night. And here's my favorite part, the stairwell. Huge door. Oh, Julie going out.